Fed up, Perth drivers are considering a class action lawsuit against car manufacturer Hyundai over damage they say is no fault of their own. Hyundai is refusing to fix paint peeling off their cars, leaving the drivers embarrassed and facing a big bill.
Peeling, flaking, cracking, bubbling, patchwork paint jobs you can see a mile off.
It's a crap feeling, it really is.
Some of these drivers have been battling for years to get their Hyundais fixed.
You're scared to touch it, you're scared to wash it.
I drive down the freeway, I can hear it, I can see it flapping in the wind and I see it flying off my car. It's ridiculous.
Some have just been flat out refused repairs even after purchasing extended warranties. Others have had certain panels resprayed, but when the other sections start to peel, they've been told, too bad.
They said it's my fault, it's just reasonable wear and tear, which it clearly isn't.
Hyundai says most warranties last 3 years, but they review each case individually. Repairs will be done for free if it's deemed appropriate. If it's not, it's expensive.
It's $10,000 to respray the vehicle. It's probably only worth about $6,000.
There's nearly 500 drivers across the country with paint issues like this. They're all part of a social media group, hoping Hyundai comes to the table and fixes their problem, but prepared for the reality it might take something more.
We will be pushing for a class action on this.
A consumer lobby group convinced enough to back the drivers in.
We want Hyundai to do the right thing and fix these cars free of charge.
A spot of paint that could make a lot of lives easier. Rory Campbell, 7 News.